Hello, it's Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga. In September, I am starting a new free program over on my YouTube channel. It's called Return to Basics, and it's about the postures that you frequently see in a yoga class, but that you're not sure if you're doing them correctly or not. Not only will we be breaking down how the postures are traditionally done, but we'll also be looking at how you can use props to help you get into these postures, help with any injuries that you might have, and also help you go deeper into the postures. If you would like these weekly videos sent to you, you can sign up for my newsletter and I will send those out to you. Also, at the end of each month, there will be a probably half an hour long class where we take the things that we've learned that month and put them all into a class. So if you're interested at all, again, sign up. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. Subscribers help me to continue to make free content like this for you. Have a wonderful day. Remember to ground down into your strengths and to grow as an individual. Namaste.